In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a profit and loss report in Xero, and it's going to take about 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or a finance professional, this report is essential for getting a clear picture of your financial performance. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account. If you haven't already, open your browser and head over to Xero's homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button and give it a click. You'll then be prompted to enter your email and password. If you have trouble remembering your password, there's a handy forgot password link to help you reset it. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This is your starting point for accessing various features, including running reports. Next, look for the accounting menu. It's usually on the main navigation bar. Clicking on accounting will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select reports. You're one step closer to generating your profit and loss statement. Now in the report section, you'll see various reporting options. Scroll through until you find income statement, profit and loss. This is the report we're interested in today. Click on that and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can customize your report settings. Here, you'll need to select a date range for your report. Xero usually offers several predefined periods, like the current month or year to date. You can also enter a custom date range if you need something more specific. If you're interested in comparing results over time, there's an option to select a comparison period. This can give you insights into trends and changes in your financial performance. Once you've set up your date ranges, you're ready to run the report. Simply click on the Update button to generate the profit and loss statement with your selected parameters. This report will provide you with a detailed breakdown of your revenues, expenses, and net profit or loss for the chosen period. After reviewing the report, you might want to save or share it. Xero offers a Save As option, which allows you to store your customized report for easy access in the future. There's also an Export option, letting you download the report in various formats such as PDF or Excel, making it simple to share with colleagues or stakeholders. That's it, you've successfully run a profit and loss report in Xero. This powerful tool can help you understand the financial health of your business and make informed decisions. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to check out our other videos for